The women make the world out of that one person they love. It's the world and you're just orbiting around it. वो जो हम दुनिया बना लेते हैं और बाकी सब भूल जाते हैं. Will you see जब कभी ब्रेकअप होता है तो आप निखर के और आते हो.
What do you think young men should do to understand women better?
बड़ा मुश्किल सवाल है. इसका जवाब यही आ गया कि तू चुप कर.
Hi, this is Pari. You're watching us on Yuva, and this is a very special episode of the Good Girls Show with the absolutely amazing Divya Datta.
Thank you, Pari. Thank you.
Can I first congratulate you already on this fab show that's coming out? I feel like ये एक इतना important conversation है to be had today. So let's begin with that. Your feelings first. Sense of responsibility है. Are you just... I feel like as an actor, when you feel you're doing something meaningful, that gives you a creative satisfaction. How is the feeling?
You absolutely answered that. See, as actors, you are very open to different kinds of roles and you sign up roles for different reasons. I've been fortunate that I've had some roles that come my way which are more meaningful. And this one, I think, really, really stands out for me.
Yeah.
When I heard it, it was like, you're speechless for a bit. That somebody has decided, the writer, Divya Nidhi, the director, Shashank Shah, the platform, Jio Hotstar and the SVF, the production, to tell a story that needs to be told. कहीं ना कहीं कुछ impact तो होता है और जब आप वैसे एक show का हिस्सा हो, I think it is, I wouldn't say a joy, but it's an absolute honor.
I can't wait to ask you more questions about the show. But because इस show का नाम The Good Girls Show है,
Yes.
I'll begin with a little about your girlhood.
Yes.
So, what kind of a girl were you growing up? आप rebellious थे, आप fearless थे, were you the quiet one or were you trying to be a good girl? What kind
Please
of a girl?
make a wild guess and I'll answer that for you.
I feel like you were a rebel.
I was a rebel?
Huh?
नहीं
Like-
यार बहुत strong image हो गया. I was a brat, naughty brat. I still am.
Okay.
I haven't let that girl go away at all. No rebellious streak because I think I didn't have to rebel against anything. I was one of those few girls who got it the way they wanted it. शरारती बहुत थी, मस्ती बहुत थी और वो आज भी है. And I think even in my house where I live with my younger niece and nephew are 10 and 7, they feel I'm younger to them. And they say, तुम चुप करो. So they've been telling me, तुम क्या कर रही हो? तुम आ रही हो, तुम जा रही हो, मस्ती कब करेंगे? And so I think it is my relaxing mode to meet my younger self, to feel that child in me, the younger girl in me alive. One shouldn't really take themselves too seriously.
Yeah.
We tend to.
Correct, absolutely. आपको ऐसा लगता है that, I mean, when you were growing up, did you feel that there is a certain expectation from girls to be good girls?
मैं बड़ी good girl थी यार. उसके बाद मैं naughty हुई. The front bencher girls.
Yeah.
I was that. And I don't know why I wanted to be good. Nobody asked me to be. पता नहीं आप एक role play ले लेते हैं.
हाँ.
कि maybe I was the elder daughter.
Yeah.
पता नहीं, maybe क्या था मुझे नहीं पता. But I wanted that तारीफ कि ये बच्चा बड़ा sweet है, ये बच्ची बड़ी प्यारी है. तो शायद उस चक्कर में ही मुझे लगता है तारीफें बटोरने के चक्कर में
हाँ, validation.
वो I played that role along for a very long time. Good girl. I think I still do sometimes, but then I say, shut up, that's not me. I better say what I have to say. So there's always that little thing happening.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm going to do a segment with you here. It's called Girlhood Flashbacks.
Sure.
Okay. A word people used to describe you with as a girl.
Pyari.
Okay. Your favorite childhood hobby.
वो घर बनाती थी मैं.
हाँ.
वो हर चारपाई, हर दुपट्टा फाड़ के, हर साड़ी फाड़ के जो मिल जाए वो घर बनता था.
Correct. Okay. Your biggest teenage dream.
Biggest teenage dream was actually to be an actor. I was.
And look how it beautifully manifested itself. A moment you felt really proud of yourself as a girl?
There was when you're doing things that you want to do. I remember I wanted to go for a dance performance. I'm a dancer, and I mean, of course, I acted and everything. So when I got into college, there was this first year of college. So how I was 16. So got in, and then I saw there was a group of girls who probably didn't want me on stage. And then I saw there was another group of girls who said, "How will you not let her go on stage?" Um, they gave me these wings to fly, and when I was on stage dancing, I saw the entire audience of girls. I was in a girls' college, good and bad,
Yeah,
and
of course.
wild girls.
Yes.
But they had my back, and how. And what I'm trying to say is that they made me shine in that. And so that there was a time when one day I got like about 10 awards. It was the best student in literature, best in psychology, best in philosophy,
Wow.
best dancer, best orator, and then came the all-round best student of the year. And so my principal called my mother and said, "Aap do ye award." I think that for me was the proudest moment as a girl. I can't describe it, but you had two women who you look up to. You have those girls who have rooted for you, everyone there, and you're receiving it on everyone's behalf because you are that because of them.
Yeah. How wonderful. How amazing. Okay. Something you were told girls shouldn't do, but you did it anyway.
मतलब घर पे तो कोई नहीं कहता था, लेकिन suppose my friends family would say स्कूल के बाद मूवी नहीं जाना, कॉलेज के बाद मूवी नहीं जाना, so we would go. We would go and we would watch the favorite film that we had to, and they would lie, but I would go and say नहीं नहीं हम फिल्म देख के आए हैं, और it's okay, मैंने अपनी मम्मा को बोल दिया था, so they had nothing to say because
right.
so yeah, I used to do that.
Okay. A girl code you believe in?
There are lots of girl codes. मेरा वाला थोड़ा laughter code है.
अच्छा.
कि अगर कि मुझे लगता है कि कोई ना कोई ऐसा होता है जिसके साथ आपकी बहुत पटती है. That तो has to happen. And that girl code I think I had with my sister. So if I'm trying to control my laughter, and you're trying to control your laughter.
Yeah.
And you've looked at me. It's done. It can be the most embarrassing moment of anyone's life. I remember we were in the insurgency times in Punjab, and जिसके घर में जो होता था सब वही करते थे. तो छोटे छोटे हम थे, तो किसी के घर में वीडियो प्लेयर दैट VCR बोलते थे उसको, VCR आया था. तो कोई पिक्चर एक अंकल देखने को बुलाए हमको, सारे बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं वहां पर, and he sneezed very loudly, and I was sitting like this watching the film, and suddenly I went like this, and I said, "Baby, हंसना नहीं, जिसके घर में है वो भगा देगा." There are 3 girls sitting there, and the leader of that gang is my sister, and she's only looking at me, tears in her eyes, कि कब हंसेगी तू और कब मैं हंस दूं. And I looked at her, and we broke into peals of laughter, so much so that nobody bothered to stop laughing, and everyone was laughing. And then uncle said, "Utho yahan se and get out." We were never invited again. But that became a girl code that we are going to laugh at our jokes. वो हमारे private jokes हैं, हमारे personal
inside
jokes हैं, उसको पर celebrate करेंगे. हमको किसी से embarrass नहीं होना है. आप हमें घर से भगा रहे हो, भगाओ, फिर भी हंसेंगे.
I love this so much, and it's so I had almost forgotten about this. That हाँ यार ये भी तो होता है female friendships में.
Of course.
Thank you for reminding again. A habit you picked up from your mother?
She had the zest for life, for whatever it brought. And I always wondered how. She was a single mother. She was a government officer, civil surgeon, where like there were so many people under her, and kabhi strikes ho rahi hai, kabhi kuch ho raha hai, kabhi transfers ho rahi hai. In spite of it all, she had time for me, where me and my brother would go up on the terrace and dance, where we would pick up tomatoes and throw on her and say, "Ye wala mazedar nahi tha." So she had that child in her which stayed. She had that zest to celebrate life for what it is offering. And I think तब नहीं सीखा मैंने, लेकिन when she left, I think it really hit hard that this is a lesson I need to inculcate and incorporate in my life.
Yeah. And last one, something about your younger self that still exists today.
Please tell me the answer.
I feel like from what you've told me abhi tak, I feel like that again, that zest and the that यार मेरे को जिंदगी enjoy करनी है.
But you have to come to my house to
है ना?
see how I'm treated in the house. It's like my brother says, मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि 4 बुजुर्ग बैठ जाते हैं ना बरगद के पेड़ के नीचे और ताश खेलते हैं. ये मेरे बेडरूम का हाल है. तो वो मेरा बेडरूम इज लाइक द व्हाट डू यू कॉल दैट द उधर सब का एक्टिविटीज होती है, एक्टिविटी रूम.
Okay.
तो द किड्स रन टू माय रूम दैट वी नीड टू सिट हियर. दे विल टेक मी फॉर ग्रांटेड कि चलो ये खेलते हैं, चलो ये करते हैं. वी विल हैव मूवी टाइम. आई विल बी इन माय pajamas and we will I play kho-kho. I went to the Juhu beach the other day. I saw girls and children playing kho-kho. I said, यार ये तो बचपन है, kho-kho खेल रहे हैं. And then I told the kids, do you want to join them? And they did. They didn't know what kho-kho is. And to teach them and to just relive that childhood for a bit, I said, can I also play? I think बड़ा ज़रूरी है वो लड़की को अपने साथ रखना जो जिसका बचपन आपके साथ चलता है.
बिल्कुल. आई वॉन्ट टू कम टू द शो नाउ चिरैया. अब मैंने ट्रेलर देखा और उस पे एक जो डायलॉग है वो मुझे बहुत ही मस्त लगा. मतलब मुझे सुन के मजा आ गया. दैट डायलॉग इज कि परिवार के नाम पे, परंपरा के नाम पे, प्रेम के नाम पे व्यवस्थित तरीके से हमें डैश बनाया गया है. सो ऐसी कुछ चीजें हैं, यू नो, देयर सर्टेन थिंग्स दैट आर क्वाइटली एक्सेप्टेड इन आवर सोसाइटी. Is there something that you have always questioned? I remember when I was younger, and I still question this, but I would always question that back then also. Why is it that the girl only has to leave her own house and go to another house शादी के बाद? Was there any question, anything like this that you questioned?
I would think so. I always, because I'm so attached to my house and my family, that I would always think, ये लड़की क्यों जाती है यार? हमेशा ऐसा क्यों होता है? वो होते हैं, but the thing is, see, the thing with norms is that you're so conditioned, so deeply conditioned,
correct,
to those thoughts that you do not confront them. You say, अच्छा ये चला आ रहा है, ये चलता ही जाएगा, मुझे मतलब मैं उसके साथ parallelly चल सकती हूँ, मैं इसको रोक नहीं सकती. That is what we are brought up on.
Correct.
And so the very thought of this kind of a show is to tell you that you kind of got to say, is this something that you shouldn't talk about, that you shouldn't see somebody else's comfort or respect in a relationship.
आपके हिसाब से, like, what's the most common piece of advice that women receive about marriage and relationships that you personally disagree with?
होते हैं ना वो typical से क्लीशे से आंसर्स. तो वो अब तो वही
तुम्हारा घर है,
तुम्हारा घर है,
हाँ.
अब उससे संभालना तुम्हारे हाथ में है बेटा, देख लेना सब. Suddenly you grow up to it, that you know there's a इतना भार, suddenly you're going with a certain baggage and a burden कि ये नई जिंदगी नहीं है, ये एक duty है, kind of a thing, which a lot of people don't really realize. So I remember during COVID, we were playing and this lady, तब तो दोस्तियां हो गई थी, सब पड़ोसियों से नाम भी पता चल गए थे सबके. तो दिस लेडी जस्ट, आई सेड आप बैडमिंटन खेलेंगी, तो आपको आता है खेलना? शी सेइंग नहीं नहीं. फिर मैं कहा थोड़ा तो आता होगा. शी सेइंग वैसे तो मैं चैंपियन थी. तो आई सेड अच्छा आप चैंपियन थी, एंड एल्डरली लेडी. आई सेड आप खेलिए फिर. तो शी प्लेड एंड शी प्लेड सो जेस्टफुली. आई सेड तो आप खेलती क्यों नहीं है? शी हैड अ वेरी शाई स्माइल अबाउट इट, not missing out on something, not even realizing that she is missing out.
Right.
फिर तो शादी हो गई ना. तो वो आप कंडीशनिंग के साथ आते हो कि भाई जब आपकी शादी हो गई आप बनना छोड़ दो, क्यों भाई? तो वो एक इतनी सी बात. और इसमें कुछ रिबेलियस स्ट्रीक नहीं है पर इट्स जस्ट कि आपको बदलना क्यों पड़ रहा है. आप जो हैं कोएग्जिस्ट करने में और बिल्कुल कुछ और करने में बहुत फर्क है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. एंड मुझे इसी चीज का डर लगता है whenever people sort of ask me that, oh, when are you choosing to get married, when will you get married, because I have seen so much happening. I've seen so many women having to change, that's something that I'm really extremely scared
but
about.
I've seen so many of my friends who are very happy in what they're doing, because also I guess the key to it is communication. The key to it is to be accepting of the other person and saying, okay, go flourish, go fly. वो बड़ा जरूरी है. हम सबको कहीं बांध देते हैं,
Correct.
चिरैया को बांधना नहीं चाहिए।
बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल। तो जैसे इसमें भी दिखाया गया, एंड आई थिंक आपका जो कैरेक्टर है शो में, दैट्स आल्सो द स्ट्रगल दैट द कैरेक्टर हैज, राइट? दैट आई फील दैट समटाइम्स, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स, women are conditioned to be like the ideal wife or the ideal woman is someone who keeps the family together, कि तुझे सब निभाना है, तुझे सब
Oh,
उसी
that word.
हाँ,
That was the word.
निभाना है है ना,
yeah.
कि तुझे सब कुछ ठीक रखना है, you have to keep everyone together. And I feel that sometimes like endurance is considered like a virtue, कि आप कितना सहन कर सकते हो, आप उतने amazing इंसान हो, right? And somehow your character here is also at that crossroad, if I'm not wrong, where you seeing कि हाँ कुछ गलत है, and you have two options, कि या तो मैं चुप रहूं or I raise my voice against it. So A, what do you think about this conditioning? And B, have you ever been at a crossroad like this personally, where you had the option चुप रहने का and you had to raise your voice, but what did you choose?
For me, the biggest decision was to break the norms and become an actor. 30 years back, this wasn't the done thing. It was like, okay, it's an unpredictable field, but you break that norm. You say, and as it is said, the first person who breaks a norm has it the most tough. It's the toughest ride for that person. फिर of course it paves the way for other people to come in. बट जो पहला रास्ता नापता है, जो पहला रास्ता खोलता है, उसके लिए हमेशा मुश्किल होता है. सो इवन व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट कमलेश, आई थिंक it of course is at a standpoint where you feel you have so much going for you.
Yeah.
A loving family where आपने उसे अच्छे से संभाला है, निभाया है, everything, and you're happy with it.
Correct.
ऐसा नहीं कि आप उस कंडीशनिंग से अनहैप्पी हैं. आप हैप्पी हैं, वो कमलेश हैप्पी है. But comes another girl who hasn't, who's, what do you say, been abused, and there's no one she can talk about it to. And then comes a standpoint where she says, should I be in sisterhood with her? Or am I very comfortable with this? So it is a difficult, of course, a very difficult thing to do. But I think it raises a thing where everyone would want to say कि हाँ ऐसा करना चाहिए.
It's amazing you mentioned sisterhood, okay? And I feel that कभी-कभी हम वो देखना या दिखाना भूल जाते हैं, right? Like this idea that एक traditional household में तो एक औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन होती है.
एक तो ये लाइन कहाँ से आई है, God
सच
knows.
में. But that's so amazing to see, because ऐसा नहीं है. When a woman chooses to back another woman, she does.
In my own house, like I just went for a wedding. And this aunt of mine passed away, but her daughter-in-law, she was there, and I said, "You're missing auntie, aren't you?" So she said, Divya, she got married at 18. She said she was the one who stood up and said, "Let her study, let her get educated. She wants to do." And when it came to doing a job, she was the one who pushed her. It wasn't in her mind at all. She was the one who pushed her and said, तूने पढ़ाई की ना, किसके लिए की, चल ना काम कर, तुझे अच्छा लगेगा करके. When somebody standing and looking over and saying, this is not the role play I'm doing of a saas, this is not a role play I'm doing of a bahu, but I'm going beyond. I'm going on an interpersonal relationship where I'm holding a hand. And that I think is very important. And I think when you come to it, nothing can be a stronger bond when a woman stands with a woman.
Yeah,
I feel it personally every day of my life, and it's just something so comforting.
Yeah. So for anybody who does not know, this show raises a very important topic of consent within marriage, and what we're saying is कि शादी license नहीं है, and I'm so glad, because consent की बात होती है, but again this is such a nuanced thing, and I feel that हम अभी तक उस पॉइंट पर पहुंचे नहीं है कि हमारे देश में सब कोई कंसेंट समझ पाया है. सो आई वांट टू आस्क यू कि आपके हिसाब से व्हाट इज समथिंग अबाउट कंसेंट दैट वी हैवंट अंडरस्टूड, एंड हाउ कैन वी डू दैट बेटर?
एक्चुअली इट्स नॉट दैट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. वो कंसेंट लोगों को नहीं भी समझ आएगा तो वो उनकी गलती नहीं है, बिकॉज दे हैवंट बीन टोल्ड अबाउट इट.
या ट्रू.
वो जो सुना है वो जैसे देखते आए हैं, जो आसपास आप देखते हो वही होता है. इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट इसको नॉर्मलाइज करके इन्हें बताया जाए कि भाई ये ना बहुत हल्की सी चीज़ है कि इसको ट्वीक करना है और कुछ नहीं है. You just have to, like, it's an example, like, say, would you like to have chai? I say, चाय ले लो. चाय पियो. अभी मुझे नहीं पीनी चाय. पियो. बट क्योंकि आप मेरे घर आई, आप पिए, ये तो कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है. ये तो बहुत छोटी सी बात हो गई. लेकिन जब आप रिश्तों की बात करते हैं, उसमें पूछना किसी से, आई यू ओके विद इट, ये कौन सी बड़ी बात है? ये कोई बड़ी बात तो है नहीं. ये छोटी सी बात है और पर बहुत मायने रखती है. इससे रिश्ते बदल सकते हैं. ट्रांसपेरेंसी होना, आई थिंक, इज समथिंग सो इम्पोर्टेंट, वे यू कैन टॉक, वे यू हैव द फ्रीडम टू टॉक. कि आप बात करो और घबराओ नहीं, वो बड़ा जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल. When you meet young people today, what do you think about their approach to marriage, to relationships?
My God, this generation is just amazing. एक तो हमें ना बहुत रेवरेंस. हाँ जी, वो दिल का हे व्हाट्स अप, अरे रेवरेंस कहाँ गई भाई? हाँ, एक जी लगा देते हैं तो कुछ नहीं, फिर आप भी ब्रो कोड में आ जाते हो. उसको ब्रो कोड बोलते हैं ना. तो उसमें आ जाते हो. तो बट द थिंग इज दे आर रेडी टू टॉक. दे टॉक. इफ यू raise a question, they will answer it with all sheer honesty and genuineness, and I so appreciate that. That's amazing.
Yeah, absolutely. And especially I feel like in terms of marriage, and if I just talk about girls, I feel girls today are purposely, there's a study also, right? There's research that women today are choosing not to be married. And they are choosing to remain single.
मैं तो रोज सुनती हूँ.
हाँ. And you are someone who is, like, I've heard you talking about this. You have made that choice, which I feel is in itself an empowering choice to make.
I don't find this choice empowering.
Really?
I'm saying it is my choice. इसको कोई हम नाम क्यों दे रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल.
मतलब मेरी मर्जी.
Fair.
तनुकी.
तनुकी. Besides consent, आपके हिसाब से what is another major red flag in a relationship?
Consent, of course. Respect for me is most important. I feel love happens when respect is there. There's a certain, what do you say, beauty about respecting your spouse, respecting your partner, respecting what they have to say, respecting what they feel. And then love follows immediately, promise you. It just comes. Because when you're respected, you feel, what do you say, heard. Belonging. There's certain level that your spouse has kept you on, and that I think is a very very strong foundation. If you have that, I think you've had a good marriage.
Yeah. So many women, so many people वो ये show देखेंगे, and unfortunately maybe a lot of people find themselves relating to it a bit more than others. Okay, and I feel that sometimes when somebody is not able to stand up or raise voice against abuse, it's not easy to stand up, it's not easy to raise a voice. But what would be your advice to them? How can they stand up for themselves?
See, I would say सबके रास्ते ना खुद तय करने होते हैं. आपकी जर्नी अलग है, मेरी जर्नी अलग है. But yes, you need that one person to hear you, one person to give you that hand, to lend you that hand, to say just get up. वो बड़ा ज़रूरी है. And for that you got to speak for them to hear, and you need somebody who's wanting to hear. बहुत ज़रूरी है to talk and to listen, both equally important. In the noise that we live in, I think one thing we don't do is talk to someone that what you're really feeling, and hearing someone who really wants to say something. These are very underutilized emotions which we should be doing more. To share and to have a group that hears you, like that sisterhood that I'm talking about, is the most amazing thing that's happening. And किसी से भी बात करो जो आपकी बात को समझे, वो बड़ा ज़रूरी है.
Yes. Okay. I have one last segment for you because I feel like आप advice बहुत अच्छी देते हो.
उन पे अमल करती हूँ कि नहीं वो पता नहीं.
So I'm going to ask you for some advice for any young girl, and I'm mentioning girl because the show का नाम The Good Girl Show है. Okay, so first thing, what is one thing young women should never compromise on?
Freedom of choice. They should have a freedom of choice of what they want to do, how they want to do. Of course, they should know what's the correct thing, but वो choice मिलना कि वो कौन सा रास्ता अपनाना चाहते हैं उनकी होनी चाहिए.
What is one kind of independence every woman should build for herself?
Financial independence. Also, थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है emotional independence.
बहुत मुश्किल है.
बहुत मुश्किल होता है. बोलना बहुत आसान है. इस एडवाइस पे मत जाना क्योंकि मैं अभी तक सीख रही हूँ.
What is something young women should keep in mind when they think about relationships and marriage?
I think the women make the world out of that one person they love. Now the world, is it's the world and you're just orbiting around it. वो जो हम दुनिया बना लेते हैं और बाकी सब भूल जाते हैं. Did you see जब कभी ब्रेकअप होता है तो आप निखर के और आते हो. New pack 2.0
revenge body glow.
Yeah. So वो थोड़ा सा अगर अपने आप को भी उतनी तवज्जो दे दें. ये मेरा note to self if I was a few years back I would have done that.
Yeah.
कि जो दुनिया जहान आप किसी को बना लेते हो नहीं जरूरत.
Okay, I love that advice. What would you say to a girl who feels that she's falling behind in life because usual milestones follow नहीं किए गए?
हाँ, तो वो एक बात है कि गिरते हैं शहसवार ही मैदाने जंग. वो तिफल क्या गिरे जो घुटनों के बल चले. तो आप गिर गए हैं तो उठ के बाउंस बैक तो करना ही पड़ेगा. कोई और तरीका नहीं है. तो आप कंफर्टेबली बैठ जाएं वहां पर जहां आप गिर गए हैं. उधर ही घर बना लें, उधर ही बैठ जाएं या फिर उठ जाएं और आगे की जगह देखें कि शायद बहुत सारी और सुंदर चीजें आपका इंतजार कर रही हैं.
Right. What advice would you give to a girl who's afraid to speak up?
I was one.
Yeah.
I had the fear of public speaking. Huge. Not just my mind, but also public speaking. But I had friends who held my hand and said, talk to people. करो ऐसा, बोलो उसे. तो I also used to feel very scared of telling. बुरा तो नहीं लगता. एक तो हमें ऐसे बुरा नहीं लग, किसी को बुरा नहीं लगना चाहिए. तो ठीक है अगर लग भी गया थोड़ा सा, लेकिन उसका जो आउटकम है वो अच्छा होने वाला है. तो प्यार से मुझे पर्सनली लगता है कि आप जो भी बोल रहे हैं बोलने का तरीका सही होना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
So I think always keep it in mind that the way you say things should be important. So अगर आप डर रहे हैं तो तरीका इतना खूबसूरत कर दें कि किसी और को बुरा भी ना लगे.
Right. Okay. Advice for a girl who has just moved to Mumbai.
अरे make lots of friends. It's a city of friends and a city of work. And मुझे ये ऐसा कहा जाता था कि मुंबई जब आप आते हो आपको अपना लेता है एकदम. And come with that dream. I still believe in the idealism of that.
Yes. Mumbai आने के पहले, did you also have like a very romanticized picture of the city?
Of course.
है ना?
मैं आती रहती थी क्योंकि my uncle was a director. तो Juhu Beach, and that time you had those ghoda, the horses, and those the tangas and camel rides and everything, and the bhel puris and everything. So yeah, I romanticized this place. I was like, so beautiful. But when you belong here, you become a part of it. I think it just owns you up beautifully.
Yes, that's true. And last one, what do you think young men should do to understand women better?
बड़ा मुश्किल सवाल है. इसका जवाब यही आएगा कि तू चुप कर.
या फिर सुन ले.
तू चुप कर, हमें नहीं सुनना कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए. आप किसी को एडवाइस नहीं दे सकते. We are no one to preach anyone. एक बात अपनी कहना बहुत जरूरी है, लेकिन किस तरह से कही जाए, जैसे यहाँ कही गई. जो भी सेंसिटिव होंगे, जो भी एब्जॉर्बिंग पर्सनालिटीज वाले लोग हैं, they are going to take back something. And वो खुद ही सीखेंगे.
So let me ask you that, what do you hope young boys learn from this?
To just respect their spouses, to give them, as I say, the freedom of choice, to ask, is it okay with you?
Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm so looking forward to the show,
Thank you.
and I hope it enables more conversations.
Fingers crossed. Thank you.
Thank you.